Analysis of the causes for excavator traveling out of alignment. Troubleshooting guidance steps. Failure phenomena. Excavator traveling out of alignment. Inspection steps. 1. Check the tightness of the crawlers of excavator for both sides. Normally the tighter crawler would be moving faster than the other side. 2. Operate the excavator in place for loading operation compound action. And check whether the compound action speed is consistent with the normal state. If the compound action speed is similar to the normal state, then you can basically eliminate main pump problem. 3. Operate the excavator walking at the same time operating bucket continuous action. If walking deviation phenomenon disappears, it means the main pump problem could be considered. Next, test the oil pressure of P1 pump and P2 pump respectively with pressure gauges. Then lift the boom to the top and continue to operate at high throttle. It's possible that the pump with low pressure values have problems such as worn out or regulator failure. If walking deviation phenomenon still there, then you can consider the walking pilot system and the walking motor problem. The operation method is to remove the plate located under the pedal valve and exchange the 4 pilot oil tubes on both sides on the pedal valve for testing. If the phenomenon of walking deviation still exists after the adjustment, then the problem of the pilot system can be excluded. Then switch the pilot oil tubes back to the original state. Subsequently, check the relief valves on the traveling motor. If there is walking deviation for forward on one side, but no problem for backward, or there is walking deviation for backward, but no walking deviation on forward, then the upper and lower 2 relief valves on the suspicious motor can be switched for testing. If there is walking deviation problem existed on forward and backward both on one side, the 4 relief valves on the left motor and right motor can be exchanged for testing. If the walking deviation phenomenon still exists after exchanged, then, it may be caused by the fault of the walking motor itself, and the walking motor needs to be replaced.